Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my night skincare routine because you know how my skin condition is. It's really bad and I don't want the makeup products to ruin my face right now, so I just need skincare. You can look at this, my face. Look at that. How horrible it is. So let us start the skincare routine. The night skincare routine. So the first thing I will do the first step in my night skincare routine was I basically use this one, the toner, if you can see this. I use Origin Toner, Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilient Soothing Treatment Lotions. And then take your cotton pad, just swipe it up on your face. Just only one swipe. Swipe it up. Swipe. This toner is good though because it's reduce the redness of your face. Someone just recommended me to buy that. And I got just one swipe, baby. I don't know if I do it one swipe. I just do it. I don't care. So I'm done with the toner. Let it set for a while. Okay, so the second step, I will use this. Okay, the Ordinary Niacinamide. Okay, Niacinamide. 10% plus zinc 1%. High strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. My second step of night. Oh my god, it's gone. It's none. What did I say? I'm not confident of myself right now. The second bottle will be arrive maybe a month because this COVID-19. Massage your face. It's sting a little. It's sting. Yeah, it's sting. But it's good for your face. It reduce your blemish. But if you have sensitive skin, you should do what does the box say? You should do patch testing before you use all over your face. I usually use moisturizer because right now I'm out of it, so just skip the step. I'm using this bio oil, skincare oil for my dark spot. Just apply it on this. Okay, just apply it on the skin where the dark spot is. That's it for a while. I'm done with the third step. So the fourth step, I will use this MCoBeauty. My best friend bought it for me from Australia. Thank you, Shira. I love you so much. So I will use this one. So just apply on your lips. Apply on your lips. This one is mint lip balm. It's sheer and super balm. I love using it. Makes my lips so soft. Okay, so the last step, I will use this one, Mario Badescu. Is that how it calls? I don't know. I use this mist. This one is my favorite, you know, for skincare. And my night skincare routine is done. It's a simple stuff that I usually do. Just I skip one of the steps because I'm out of moisturizer. So during this MCO, it's been, I don't know, I think it's hard for me because I can go out, meet my friends, and I can't do some skincare shopping or makeup shopping. I have to do it all online, and it's very expensive, you know. The shipping is very expensive. I want to cry. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Is it?
2 hours later.
I don't remember anything anymore. So if you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, you should view my other makeup tutorial and like all of my other videos. I just hope you guys stay at home. Just be safe. Just stay healthy, okay? That's all for me. Good night. Good balm. I love you guys. Bye-bye.